I'm going to show you how to simply replace the spark plug wires for any motor, but this is on a Ford F-150 1990 with the EFI. Alright, let's get this going. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the spark plugs out of the box. Now, these spark plugs will be about the same length. Alright, so first thing you want to do is match them up. Okay.
Look, I even got one of these. I can't remember what I used to for, probably the tire rope.
Alright, you just got to get these matched up. That's what we're doing here. You want to go from shortest to longest, or longest to shortest. Alright, now see these two here are about the same size. Alright, and that's what I'm talking about. Okay, one's a little bit longer because one side of the motor is a little bit further away from your distributor cap. Alright, and so that's what's making up the difference here. Okay, alright, now these two are about the same size. Okay, as you can see. So we're just going to continue to match these up. Okay, these two are about the same size. Okay, and so on. Okay, now I'll show you what's next. Okay, we have them all organized, laid out here on the truck. Now we can match them up as we take them off. Let's do that. Alright, the first spark plug. Okay, we're inspecting the spark plugs. This looks really good, but a friend of mine wants it taken out, replaced, so we're going to replace it. Alright, so here's the new one. Here's the old one, and it's pretty much the same. But we're going to put in the new one. Alright. Alright, we're going to put a little anti-seize on this. I've never seen them seize up myself. And, but it doesn't hurt. Okay, you want to put this at the upper part of the threads up here, because it will carry down. The threading will push it down to the bottom. Alright. Alright, now we're taking this off of the distributor cap. Alright. There's the distributor cap. Just follow it over. Alright. And take it off right here. No mistakes. Now let's measure it up. Alright. To the same length.
You know, there was, what do you call it on here? I took that wire brush and I brushed it off.
Okay.
Acid was in it.
Alright.
I know you can use baking soda, just so I took that wire brush.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's your old ones, Kenny?
Yeah, it's like see, it's the same. See right there. Alright, now let's match it up. Okay.
I told him, you want to come out and look?
This
I
is
said,
the
I ain't no
old
mechanic.
one. This is the new one. Alright, same length. Okay. Alright, down in the center of the screen, you can see the spark plug. That's the second one over. Okay. Alright, so there's your dipstick. Just look back. Okay. And you can see right down in there to your spark plug. Okay, now I'm going to explain the process to simplify replacing your spark plug wires on any motor. You take out your spark plug, put your new spark plug in. You remove that spark plug wire. You find a spark plug wire that matches it. The new one will probably be a little bit shorter, okay, than the older one. And you just pull one wire off, put the next one on, pull out that next spark plug, put the new one in, take off that wire, reconnect to the spark plug, to the distributor cap. You do it one by one side, then the other. That's the simplest way to do your spark plugs and wires. If you pull off all the wires at one time and you don't know how they go, the order they go in, it's a nightmare. So you can do your spark plugs and spark plug wires from about 90 plus back to the older cars. All right, using this simple process. Then when you put in your spark plug, get it hand tight, then get the wrench and use your ratchet, okay? And when it gets tight, then just a quarter turn, eighth of a turn more, so it cinches it down. And if you do the anti-seize on your threads, that's good. If you use the boot lubricant, it goes over at the end of the spark plug, over the spark plug. It makes it slip on, and you want to hear a little snap or feel it give. And then to test it, just grab down there at the engine block there by the spark plug, and then pull on the cap, pull on the wire. All right, and if it's solid, you're good. All right, and the boot grease lube, it's basically petroleum. It's Vaseline basically. You could just use Vaseline just a tiny bit, or just buy it. So that's all there is to it. So I hope this is clear enough. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And remember, EZ2 tips and tricks where you can see everything up close and personal. And I look forward to hearing from you. So hang tough, and remember, there's always a way, always.